Hi friends, welcome back to my course Power System Reliability. Now we will discuss the third unit Power System Reliability. In this unit we will discuss the system reliability, then reliability planning criteria for generation, transmission and distribution, then grid reliability, reliability target, security requirement, disaster management, in the end roadmap for the reliability and quality. First of all, we will discuss the system reliability. What is the need of reliability? What is the adverse effect without using the power system reliability? These concepts we will understand. As we know, electrical power systems are very complex and highly integrated. Failure in any part of the system can cause interruption of supply to end user. Power system reliability is increasing a concern to the power industry and society at large. At present, power system operations are to be handled in a heterogeneous environment. Generally, reliability analysis is being carried out during planning stage of power system operation. In order to maintain the operational state of the power system at the required levels and subsequently to meet the load demand satisfactorily, the power system operation such as state estimation, reliability analysis, etc. are to be carried out at frequent intervals. Due to the increase in demand of power, the size of the power system grows exponentially large. Private power industry have joined the public sector to cope up with the power demand. Power system operations are becoming complex and the data required for analysis have been stored in different formats and are distributed in a heterogeneous environment. The power system basic operations such as load flow, stability analysis, reliability analysis are being carried out using different power system applications executing in a heterogeneous platform. The primary function of a power system is to supply its customer with electrical energy as economical as well as with acceptable reliability and quality. Power system reliability is defined as the ability of the system to satisfy the customer demand. Demand for electric power with high reliability and quality have increased tremendously in the past few decades due to the digital revolution. It is expected that the requirement for high quality reliable power supply will continue to increase in the immediate future. Customers such as commercial, industrial and residential users expect a high reliable supply with relatively low rates. The electric power industry throughout the world is undergoing considerable change in information system and web-enabled service-oriented architecture models are emerging to support the integration of different power system applications. The evolving changes in power system planning and operation need require a distributed control center that is centralized, decentralized, integrated, flexible and open. As the market expands and the power grid become more congested, operation reliability is becoming more crucial. Maintaining system reliability requires more robust data acquisition, better analysis, and faster coordinated controls. A distributed system is essential for meeting the stringent timing and reliability requirements. To summarize, in a competitive environment, economic decisions are made by market participants individually and system-wide reliability is achieved through coordination among parties belonging to different companies. Thus, the paradigm has shifted from centralized to decentralized decision making. This requires data and application software in control center to be decentralized and distributed. Now, this is why we use the reliability concept. Reliability of a power system is generally designated as a measure of the ability of the system to provide customer with adequate supply. It is one of the primary performance criteria of power system. Major outage can have a significant economic impact on end user as well as power utilities. power system has been significantly affected by a wide range of outage events caused by incorrect planning, operational error, equipment failure, environmental condition, adverse weather effect, and load conditions. Large-scale blackouts are emphasizing the importance of reliability issue. Reliability is one of the major factors for planning, designing, operation, and maintenance of electric power system. Failure in any part of the system can cause interruption of supply to end user. In the next class, we will discuss the reliability planning criteria for generation, transmission, and distribution. Thank you.